men, over 100 men, on some purported charge that they have found guns somewhere or they are coming to search. Up until today, they've never called me to record a statement of what they did in my house. Never. 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 They have never offered any evidence in court where we are on court for anticipatory bail of any kind that there is any investigation on me. Now, today you chase me all over town. No, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you all first and foremost for coming. Today I'm going to be very, very brief. I'll give you a little summation of what happened, and then I will say one thing. I was coming from a lunch at a hotel not too far from here. And on my way, I was on my way home. Just here at the engine petrol station, a vehicle tried to stop us, brandishing guns and walkie-talkies. And they hooted, and they rang a siren saying, stop, stop, stop. So what is this? Before we knew it, there were one or two others. So we decided, if they're going to try and find a way to me, let them get me in my home. So we drove towards the home. And then decided, actually, by the way, I think it is better we come to a public place, because this didn't seem very genuine. I'm somebody who has an anticipatory bail in 2 courts. In 2 courts. So why do you have to come for me in this manner? 2 courts. So we drove up to here and they managed to block the traffic, and they came brandishing guns, banging the doors of the car and the windows, insisting that we open. I think after they saw a small crowd, they decided maybe they should show us a piece of paper. This is the paper that Willis is showing you here. A paper saying, summons issued yesterday, I'm to appear in court on the 1st of March, which is tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. on some criminal charge 251-2018. Normally, as Willis is saying, I would have been called, I would have written a statement, I would have known what it is about. I'm being asked to take a plea on an investigation I know nothing about. Absolutely nothing about. I have no idea what this is for. Nobody has called me, nobody has bothered to try and ask me anything to do with this criminal charge. Now, I said it at my house. They came to my house with over 100 men. Over 100 men on some purported charge that they have found guns somewhere or they are coming to search. Up until today, they've never called me to record a statement of what they did in my house. Never. 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 They have never offered any evidence in court where we are on court for anticipatory bail of any kind that there is any investigation on me. Now, today you chase me all over town to serve me a summons. The other day it's my passport. The time before that it is something about gun revocation. As I said in my house, you know, this is also becoming comical. Another day it's an obituary. You know, it's a persecution. It's a persecution. And really, I would like to address my old friend, although I don't think we're friends anymore. He was my friend until he burst the door of my house. So I'll say I want to address my old friend, and you know who I'm talking about. Please, Uhuru Kenyatta, you are not going to become legitimate by persecution of Kenyans. I'm just one case. You will not become legitimate by persecuting me or anybody else. Legitimacy is gotten from the people of Kenya. And please, you cannot force yourself on anybody. You cannot. There's nothing any of us are doing that are outside the law. Nothing. We are exercising our democratic rights as enshrined in the Constitution. And everybody who believes in this Constitution should recognize that we are being persecuted for nothing else. Following the Constitution to the letter. To the letter. To the letter. And being bold enough to stand up before everybody and say, We are standing up for it. We are going to abide by it no matter what. I said the other day outside CID that these are dark days. They are very dark days. But they will soon be over. Please, Kenyans, there is a dawn coming. They will soon be over. Don't worry. We will take the hits, as you can see. We will take them. These days are soon going to be over. Please, there is a lot of hope in the future. Don't despair. Don't become desperate. Others are the ones who are desperate, not us. You can see I'm smiling here. What was very clear, they wanted to arrest me, keep me overnight and present me some court somewhere. I don't know for what charge. Fortunately, because of mwananchi, they didn't want to break the car. They didn't want to break the car. So we are here. If we are meant to appear in court tomorrow, my lawyers will tell me, we will appear. But I want to assure you, dawn is very near. Very, very near. Please rest assured it is very near. Thank you very much.